Title 32, Profession and Occupation, Chapter 139, Maine Fuel Board, Subchapter 2, Maine Fuel Board. 18121, Board Establishment for the term of the Maine Fuel Board with the establishment Title 5, Section 12,004, A, Subsection 49, consists of 9 members. The governor shall appoint the members prescribed in Subsection 124, but all the members must, for the residents of the state, with the 7 of the members are required to hold the license, must have a license for at least 7 years immediately prior to the appointment to the board. The board consists of 1 oil solid fuel burning technician, 3 members of each with a whole valid license of the master oil solid fuel burning technician, including 1 license for the solid fuel authority, 2 propane natural gas technician, 3 members of each hold a valid license of the propane natural gas technician, including 1 who works in the natural gas industry, dual license member, 1 member who licensed both the master oil and solid fuel burning technician and propane natural gas technician, public member, 1 public member defined in Title 5, Section 12,004A, member appointed by the Commissioner of the Public Safety, 1 member appointed by the Commissioner of Public Safety as the Commissioner's representative. Appointments for 3-year terms. Appointments must comply with Title 10, Section 8009. A board member to remove the governor may be removed by the governor for cause. 18122, Meetings Chair. The board shall meet at least once a year for the conduct of the business until elected chair. With additional meetings held if necessary to conduct the business of the board may convene with the call of the chair, the majority of the board members. 18123, Powers of the Duties. The board has the following powers and duties of the board to enforce the chapter of the shall and enforce the provisions of the chapter. Rule of the board may adopt the rules commensurate with the authority vested within it by the chapter, included but not limited to rules adopting technical standard of the proper installation, servicing, and solid fuel, propane, natural gas burning equipment. Both rules adopted for the pursuant of the subsection may not prohibit the continued existing connection of solid fuel burning, applying with the chimney fuel and another applying with the burning solid fuel for the connection with the chimney existing in use of the prior within February 2nd, 1998, as long as 1 sufficient draft is available to each line. The chimney is limited line and structural intact with the carbon monoxide detectors installed with the building near a bedroom. Connection of solid fuel burning applying with the chimney fluid with another burning oil and solid fuel with the connection with the chimney existing in use of February 2nd, 1998, as long as the 1 sufficient draft of each of the applying. The chimney is lined with the structural intact with the carbon dioxide detectors installed with the building near the bedroom. The solid fuel burning applying with the listed with the underwriter laboratory within been naturalized, recognized testing laboratory, other testing laboratory approved by the board. Applying solid fuel burning applying within accordance with the manufacturer installation specification. The board made it within the rule national technical standard with the in whole or in part considered necessary to carry out the provisions chapter rules adopted pursuant to the subsection or routine of the technical rules defined in Title 5, Chapter 375, Subchapter 2, Emerging Technologies 3. 18133, Licensing. General qualification, application of license under the subchapter may submit the property application furnished for the board with the establishment 1843. Alright, 18132, Master Oil Burner Technician, Solid Fuel Technician, scope of the life of the permanent activity, the license of the Master Oil Burner, Master Solid Fuel Technician is filed. Master Oil Burner technically may install the clean surface to alter, repair oil burning equipment that must hold the 1 more of the following authorities. Number 1 and number 2 for the oils up to 15 gallons per hour, for the number 2 oils over the 15 gallons per hour, with the number 4 with the 5 and 6 oil, with the number oil 1, 2, number 6, oil with a pellet-fired central heating appliance. B, a master solid fuel technician may install the cleaning surface to alter the repair solid fuel burning equipment. 2, professional qualification. Each application master oil burner solid fuel license must pass examination approved by the board with meet the following qualifications. A, the applicant must demonstrate 4 years license of the practical expenses, experience of the apprenticeship of the burning technician, solid fuel technician, journeyman oil burner technician, solid fuel technician, evidence of the license practice, so practical experience of at least 2 of those 4 years of the license, journeyman, oilman, oil burner technician, solid fuel technician. Other requirements of the board established for the course approved of the board applied with the journeyman license cannot be applied with the requirements of the master license. B, any out-of-state applicant must present satisfactory evidence of the board experience with the install, cleaning, surface, altering, and repairing oil, solid fuel burning equipment. 18133, journeyman oil burner technician, solid fuel technician. Scope of the permanent activity, personal life of the journeyman oil burner technician, solid fuel technician as follows. Journeyman oil burner technician under the indirect supervision of the employee of the master oil burner technician must install the cleaning service to alter, repair burning equipment, must hold with the 1 or more of the following authorities. Number 1 and number 2 for the oils up to 15 gallons per hour. Number 1 and number 2 oils over the 15 gallons per hour. Number 4 and 5 and 6 and number 1 to number 6 oil with the pellet fired central heating applying with the supervising employee with a master oil burner technician must hold with at least the same authority of the journey oil burner technician, and B, a journey with the solid fuel technician under the indirect supervision of the employee with a master solid fuel technician may install with a clean surface to alter or repair with the solid fuel burning equipment. 2, of the professional qualifications, each application journey of the oil burner solid fuel license must examination approve of the meet one of the following qualifications. A, 1 of the year of the license practical experience of the apprentice for the oil burner technician solid fuel technician, 6 months of license practical experience with the apprentice oil burner technician solid fuel technician completion of the board proof of the oil burner solid technician fuel technician complete with the community college of the carrier with the technical education center of the career of the technical education regional comparable institute within the state with another state and consisting of a minimum of 160 hours of study, which at least for the 75 hours of the minimum of the laboratory work on oil burning equipment and regulated systems. C. Successful completion of minimum 1 year accredited heating course of the community college stating of the consisting of the minimum of 324 hours of study, which at least 150 hours are made up of the laboratory work, oil, solid fuel burning equipment and related systems. Out of state applicant must present satisfactory evidence of the board examination, installation, cleaning, servicing, alternating, repairing oil, solid fuel burning equipment. Apprenticeship of oil solid fuel burning technicians. Scope of the license of the permitted activity of the license of the apprenticeship of the oil burning apprenticeship of the solid technicians are as follows. Apprenticeship of the oil burning technician may be the shift of making, installation, repairing with servicing oil burning equipment under the direct supervision of the journeyman oil burning technician who holds up the same or higher authority license authority number 1 and number 2 oils over the 15 gallons per hour of the number 1 and number 2 oils over the 15 gallons per hour with the number 4 and 5 and 6 oil with the number 1 number 6 pilot-fired central heating appliance with the oil burner with the direct supervision. Oil burner failed to operate with the bleeding of the apprentice for the shall refer to the problem with the oil and journeyman oil burner technician, master oil burner technician. Cleaning up oil burning equipment with the direct supervision apprenticeship successfully completed 160 hours of training. Approved the board completed at least 1 year of supervised burner work experience. Apprenticeship solid fuel technician may with the shift of making solid fuel installation, repairing, servicing solid fuel burning equipment under the direct supervision master solid fuel technicians. 2, clean solid fuel burning equipment with the direct supervision of the apprenticeship has successfully completed 160 hours of training above the board at least 1 year of the supervised solid fuel work experience. 18134A, exemption for the residential bleeding of the residential home with the heating oil burner. Notwithstanding section 18104.2, the home heating oil delivery driver that may be relieved with the residential home heating oil burner without direct supervision of the delivery driver if has documented have completed with the board approved the training course of the bleeding oil burners. If the oil burner fails to operate after bleeding with the delivery driver shall refer to the problem of journeyman oil solid fuel burning technician, master oil solid fuel burning technicians. Okay, propane, natural gas technician. Scope of the license of the natural gas technician. Install with the repair service of the propane, natural gas, with equipment that must be authorized and warranted with the following authorities. Applying with the connection with the service of the permit of the technician. Install with the service of the propane, the natural gas appliance, up to 500,000 BTUs per appliance. Delivery shall permit, which permit the technician to provide guidance on propane with either liquid transfer the stationary container with the property of the consumer, with the placing of the portable container on the property of the consumer, the large equipment, the connection service of the permit of the technician to install service of the propane, natural gas appliance over 500,000 BTUs per appliance plant's operation permit for the technician to work for the propane facilities is defined with the National Fire Protection Association standard number 58. Tanks setting outside piping the permit for the technician set with the maintained propane tanks outside piping. Professional qualification. Each applicant with a propane natural gas technical license must pass an examination with the board with a meeting with the following qualifications. Successful completion of the certified employee training program with the Natural Gas Association. Successful completion board approved for the natural gas, propane and natural gas association at the Maine Community College Carrier Technical Education Career Technical Education Region or comparable institute with a state with another state with a passable with examination approved by the board, and out of state the applicant must present unsatisfactory evidence of the board experience for the installation, cleaning, service, altering, and repairing propane and natural gas burning equipment. Propane natural gas helper. Propane natural gas helper may assist with the making the propane gas installation, repairing service, and propane natural gas equipment to the direct supervision of propane natural gas technician is the same authority described in section 18135 subsection 1 as a supervising propane and natural gas technician. 18137, technical temporary license of plant operator delivery technician. Scope of the license for the license. Temporary license may issue the plant operator delivery technician to practice as follow the authority practice of the plant operator restricted to the property Maine and facility defined with the National Fire Protection Association standard number 58. A and B, authority to practice with a delivery technician restrict the delivery propane either by liquidation of the stationary containing property of the consumer by placing a portable container on the property of the consumer. 2, the license and applicant temporary plant operator of the delivery technician may supply with a temporary plant operator delivery technician license 90 days of the first performing function. Subsection 1 may be issued a license up to 1 year, which may not be renewed. A new temporary plant operator delivery technician license may not issue within 3 years following the date of the issuance of the previous temporary plant operator delivery technician license. 118-138 Oil Energy Auditor. Scope of the life of the all oil energy auditor privilege to practice the restricted performance, combustion, safety, efficiency of the testing of oils, fire, space heating equipment, water heating equipment that ensure the health and safety chain to include adjusting oil, fire, space heating equipment, water heating equipment. 2, the professional qualification oil energy auditor must provide the board with a minimum safety rate evidence of the relevant training with a written federal certification conform with the standard established with the national recognized building performance industry with certification quality assurance. The equivalent residential energy auditor certification program state equivalent training of the education program is determined by the board. 18139 Propane Natural Gas Energy Auditor. Scope of the license of the propane energy auditor with the privilege of the restricted performance, combustion, safety, the evidence, efficient testing of the natural gas fire of the propane gas fired space heating equipment, the water heating equipment to ensure the health and safety chain with the include the adjustment of the natural propane gas fire space heating equipment and water heating equipment. 2, professional qualification property energy auditor must provide the board a minimum satisfactory evidence of the relevant training with a written federal certification conform with the standard of the national recognized board building performance industry certification quality assurance program, and the equivalent residential energy auditor with the certification program state with equivalent training with the education program that is determined by the board. Alright, a tank installer. Scope of the tank installer, the privilege of the restricted installing outside of the residential heating and oil tanks of manufacturer housing defined within Title 10, Section 9002, subsection 7, paragraph A. Issuance of a license for the following programs. Provisions governed under the issuance of the tank installation system. License for the tank installers. License may be issued with the licensed manufacturer housing mechanically defined in Title 10, Section 9002. The owner of the manufacturer dealership for the installing of the heating oil tank, the manufacturer housing that has been sold to the owner of the license of the revoked upon the owner of the operative of the manufacturer housing dealing with the tank installer license may be issued joint with the manufactured housing dealers defined in Section 10, Title 10, Section 9002, and an individual employee with a dealer whose name of the co-recipient, joint tank installation like with the co-recipient of the dealer employee with a restricted installment of the heating oil to the manufacturer of the housing with a sold by the dealer of the joint tank installation license is revoked upon termination of the employee name of the co-recipient of the joint tank installer license for the employee of the dealer. Personal qualification tank installer must provide satisfactory evidence support completion of the board approved training program at least 4 hours property installation outside oil tank. A wood pellet technician practice privileges practice restricted with cleaning ash pans, cleaning burn pot, scraping and cleaning of the distribution fuse tubes, and employing vines for the collection of the box and cleaning the fan. Or license installation maintenance the standard of the dispensing station following a license maintenance installation standard of the plumbing with the dispensing station operation with the type license required application license for the dispensing station self-delivery with the dispensing station must be made with the made owner proof of the board of license may be issued with the name of the owner of the responsibility with the owner of the dispensing self-delivery with the dispensing station responsible for the following the dispensing station operative with the state that must comply with section 18107 the standard of the rules adopted of the board not limited to the NFPA the standard of the number 454 and 58 with amendment to replace those standards. On the site, operative of the dispensation must be trained with a limited to the operator of the facility, limited to the operator responsible for training with the other dispensing for the state employee with the documentation of the training with the training may include the use of the manual prepared with the Regional Propane Gas Association video prepared with the National Propane Gas Association. Equivalent materials approved by the board with the training documents must be kept in the dispensing station. Owner of the dispensing station must file with a new applicant for licensure with the board within 30 days of the dispensing station is relocated. The dispensing station undergoes the major repair or renovation. Licensure endorsement. Nothing was changed with the provision of the term of the controversy board in accordance with the Title 10, Section 8003H for the applicable rules adopted and pursuant to the section established process for the issue of the license and endorsement. Each license authorized under the chapter of the board to determine the purpose of the license for the endorsement. Applicant may submit the application under the process established under this section. Any other license process authorized in this chapter. Fee for the director, official with the Office of the Professional Occupational Region Regulations, Department of Professional Financial Regulation may establish the rules. Fee for the purpose of the authorized under the subchapter, the amount for the reasonable and necessary for the respective purpose, except for the fee for the any of the purpose may not exceed $350 biannually. But rules adopted pursuant to the section of the routine technical rules pursuant to Title 5, Chapter 375, Subchapter 2A. Renewal's license expires on the date it is set by the Commissioner of the Professional Financial Regulation pursuant to the Title 10, Section 8003, Subsection 4. License period for the license was issued. The renewal license may be issued for each of the ensuing license period with the absence of any of the reason of the condition that might warrant with the refusal of the grant license. Upon receipt of the board with the written request of the applicant for the license for the fee of the license under Section 18143, an expired license may be reissued up to 90 days of the date of the expiration upon the payment of the later fee with addition with a renewal fee with the set under Section 18143. Individual who submits the application renewal more than 90 days after the license expiration date is subject to all the requirements governing annual applicants under the chapter and subsection. Renewal fee, late fee, and additional late fee with under Section 18143, except that the board may, in its discretion, give the due consideration protection over the public waive examination if the renewal application is made within 2 years from the date of the expiration. Okay, this is Professional Land Surveys, General Provisions, and that is